Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the brand new release, The Healing Waters Oracle by Rebecca Campbell with artwork by Katie-Louise. This is a 44 card deck and guidebook published by Hay House, retailing for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you my only social media accounts, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link. That's where I sell all of my ritual goods as well as my crochet goodies. So let's get into this. I'm really excited. I love anything that is themed around water or mermaid / sea life. So I'm excited about this. From the watery world of the mother to the sacred waters of this world, the physical and mystical elements of water has been revered since ancient times as holding the power to heal. Unlock the sacred wisdom of the waters and your innate capacity to heal with this stunning oracle. All right, so similar to her Starseed Oracle, we've got the triangle box here. And look at the inside. It says the healing waters are within you. Nice. Okay. Oh, same thing below here as well. All right. Oh, look at this. Unlock the sacred mysteries of the waters. Very cool. Okay, so before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything that we need to know about how to use this here. Okay, so we do have a table of contents. So the healing waters, reflections, folklore, and mythology. So a bunch of information there. And then it goes into working with the healing waters oracle. So about it, the oracle attunement, and reading the cards. So I want to see that first of all. And then it has spreads, yay. And then it goes into the messages and interpretation. So let's see here. Lots of information. Love that. Mythologies. Water as a divination tool. Memory. This is really cool. So much information. Oh my goodness. Healing places. All right. So I want to see this working with the oracle. As you use these cards, my invitation is to allow the waters to return you to embracing your ever-changing nature, rather than attempting to find some final whole and healed destinations. In this section, you'll find a Healing Waters Oracle Attunement, a guide to reading the cards, my suggestion for ways to deepen your devotional practice using the cards, and some recommended card spreads. All right. There's more information online too. You can also use the 45th card in this deck, the Healing Waters Attunement Altar card, to ritually connect with the oracle and the healing waters each time you use it. Okay, so there's a little attunement ritual. This deck was created to help you connect with and trust your sacred intelligence, your inner guidance, and have a direct dialogue with it whenever you wish. Okay, use this deck in a way that feels good for you. So we have some options on how to use it. So much information here. So again, you can use this box as an altar or to help with the spreads, as you can see here. So there's a 1 card, 2 card, Sitting at the Well, 3 card. Then we have the Well of Wisdom, which is 4 cards. The Ripple, the Pearl, and then it goes into the cards. Awesome. Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Here's the back. So pretty. I love the colors. This reminds me of looking through water, looking through like an aquamarine into the water below. That's what the vibe gives me. I love it. I'm here for it. It is a matte. The cardstock is nice. It's not too thin. It's like right in that sweet spot with the flexibility. Nice. Okay. Here is that Oracle Attunement. So this is what's also in the guidebook. We're going to set that aside. And here we go. So very similar to her other cards set up here. We have the title and then a blurb about the card. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Look at how pretty. Oh, a little baby. If you hear a bunch of background noise, it is currently Memorial Weekend as I'm filming, so everybody is out and about all weekend. So I do apologize. There's nothing I can do about it. This is so calming feeling. It's beautiful. Ooh. Oh, that's beautiful. This is definitely like a healing oracle. It's similar to the rose oracle that she did in the way of like feeling like it's just a healing deck. So pretty. You could definitely use this to journal, to do a daily pull, to do some inner child work as well, shadow work too. This is a very gentle feeling deck. So if you are looking to tap into doing some shadow work, but don't want to have like a very harsh deck to do that with, this might be an option for you as well. Same with all of her decks, really. They're pretty gentle. I think I've done a video on all of them. I think I did. I've had all of her decks. So check them out in the Oracle playlist. Oh, Lady of the Lake. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, that rainbow. Oh, wow. From grit to grace. I love that. Oh, dolphins. Oh. It's just so pretty. I'm loving the advice here, the little blurbs, keywords. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Embrace who you really are. I'm loving this. Just so happy. I love that. All right, our last one here, the wishing well. Okay, I'm excited to get into the guidebook. So let's see how these shuffle. Nice. There's a snap with them. Shuffle it this way. Yeah, I don't have an issue. They shuffle just fine. Can I get a card to read, please? Alrighty, what is this? We've got the Selkie. Coming out of hiding, embrace who you really are. Okay. And I will point out too, at the little corner out here, you can find the title of the card as well, like her others. So now we're at the Selkie. Okay. There are many thoughts about what the ancient story of the seal people or Selkies signifies. But for me, it's about the masks we wear, things being taken from us, how we hide parts of ourselves, the longing for home, the call to be wild and free, embracing our true self, answering the call deep within, and sharing our true voice. In Celtic, Scandinavian, and Icelandic mythology, there are different versions of the story. But here's one example. A man finds a Selkie, or a seal, woman on the beach. He steals her skin, without which she cannot return to the sea, hides it, and convinces her to become his wife. The Selkie woman feels the ocean calling to her deep within and yearns for it daily. The couple lead a normal human life and have children, but eventually the Selkie finds her hidden skin and returns to her home in the sea. It's time to come out of hiding, to show the world who you truly are, to embrace your uniqueness, your weirdness, your you-ness, to swim freely in the ocean of your life. How are you being called to embrace who you truly are? Are there ways that you're hiding your unique light from the world? How can you embrace even more of who you truly are? Are there ways that you're not showing up as your full, true self in your life or in your relationships? How are you being called to share your voice? Where do you feel held captive? What do you need to do to feel free? And then there's a soul inquiry. How can you embrace who you truly are? So for me, this would be a fantastic question to journal upon. So say you pulled this for your daily pull, and this is your journaling question for the day. I think this is phenomenal. I love all of the information in here. Like, this is going to take me a while to get through, but I am so excited to get to know this deck more. I think that she just keeps on coming out with better decks as the time progresses. So I am so excited to get to know this one a little bit more. This is like my type of healing deck because it's gentle. It plays with the themes and the ideas that I consider healing. So this would be a fantastic, like, I'll say it again, healing deck for me to work with. But even as a daily pull, this is fantastic. Or a confirmation deck with your tarot to work alongside it. I am so excited to get to know it a lot better. So now I'm going to turn it over to you. What do you think about this deck? Are you excited about it as I am? Are you thinking that this is going to be your new favorite Rebecca Campbell deck? Do you have a favorite deck of hers? If so, let me know what it is, and let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you've made it this far, throw me a water of any kind of emoji in the comments, a mermaid, water droplets, whatever you feel called to do, as long as it's related to water. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.